Happy day children. This is Nitya Sundari, class 8 mathematics teacher. In this video, we are going to see chapter 9 percentage and the subtopic is conversion. Now let's move on to the video. Chapter 9 percentage. So percentage mean that many hundredth. X percent by the symbol X followed by a symbol. It represents X percentage. So X percentage equal to, so here I said it mean that many hundredth. So that is equal to X hundredth. We can write this as X by 100. Then we'll see solved examples. So the first problem is expressed as a fraction. So first this 36 percentage. Always this percentage is converted to the fraction or a decimal by dividing by 100. So 36 divided by 100, then reducing this fraction will give 9 by 25. For the second problem, 0.8 percentage, we can write it as 8 by 1000 because here, because of this point, it is the decimal point is before one digit. So we can divide by 10, that is multiplied by 100. So 10 into 100 which is equal to 1000. So after reducing, we'll get 1 by 125. So the next one is express as a decimal. So the decimal, first the given percentage is written as 80 by 100. So which is equal to, reducing this will give 4 by 5. Now the decimal equivalent of 4 by 5 is 0.8. Thus the percentage is expressed in the form of decimal number. Then second example is 205. So 205, first we have to express by a fractional form 205 divided by 100. Then that is equal to 2.05. So this is the decimal equivalent of 205 percentage. And the next example problem is express as a percentage. So here the first problem 7 by 25. So to express as a percentage, always we have to multiply by 100. So 75 divided by 25 into 100. So strike coating the numerator and denominator will give 28 percentage. Then 11 by 6. So 11 by 6, it is multiplied by 100. So when strike coating the numerator and denominator will give 550 divided by 3. So this is 326 and this one is 50. So 11 into 50 which is equal to 550 divided by 3. Then now we can express this in the form of, also we can represent in the form of mixed fraction. 183 1 by 3 percentage. Then next one, converting ratio to percentage. Always to percentage we have to multiply by 100. So first the given ratio is written as fraction 3 by 4. So after converting to fraction, multiply by 100. So 3 by 4 into 100 percentage, that is equal to, so reducing this 144, 248, then balance 220, then 5420. So 3 into 25 equal to 75 percentage. So next, express 36 percentage as a ratio. So here the percentage, the 36 followed by a percentage symbol. So we can express this as 36 by 100. So after reducing this 36 by 100, we'll get 9 by 25. So this 9 by 25, this fractional form, we can also express in the ratio 9:25. So the next problem is find 7 1 by 2 percentage of rupees 2400. So here in this, of means always we have to multiply. So 7 1 by 2 of 2400 which is equal to, so the 7 1 by 2, the normal form is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 into, so this percentage, this is expressed in percentage. So we have to divide by 100. So 15 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 2400. So strike coating this will get the rupee 180. So first here the denominator 20 and the numerator 20 we can cancel out. Then after 1 2 is 2 and here this one 12 to 24. So 15 into 12 which is equal to 180. So the next problem is if 20% of a number is 65, find the number. So here the 26%, sorry this is 26% of a number is 65, find the number. So 26 of a number we have to find. So we can keep this as x. Is means it is equal to 65. It is equal to 65. Now this 26, the percentage we can express as 26 divided by 100 into x. So the of is replaced by multiplication symbol into x equal to 65. Then after that from this x, we keep this x as it is, move this 26 by 100 to the right hand side. So 65 into the denominator move to numerator and the numerator come down to denominator. So strike coating this one will get 250. Hence the required number is 250. That's all about percentage conversion. I hope you all understood the concept.